Hi. Recently I bought this Bigsby style tremolo on Amazon, and I thought, I'm thinking if I want to send it back or if I want to keep it. And then I thought I would make a video of its quality and some close-ups and how it works, just so that other people can more easily decide if they want to buy it or not. It was a cheap one, definitely made in China. It was only £25 in the UK, so nothing's fancy. Let's see. So, first of all, there are some bubbles or bumps or inconsistencies on the finish of the material. Let me light up another light first. Incoming call. Shut up. So the finish is really a cheap quality. I think you can see those little bursts or bubbles, or I don't know what to call them. The edges are rough, not nicely made. Yeah. Okay. So first what I noticed, it is the base of this tremolo is not flush. See this? Well, okay, let's make it not a problem. When you tight down the screws, then they will pull it close to the surface, so that won't be a problem, I would say. Next thing, this roller, which it's supposed to roll, is not easily rolling. I mean, there's not a big resistance, but it's not. It's really far from being like what is it called? Forgot the name. Bearing. So it's really far from being a bearing. It's got plastic bushing. Also, if you can see, this shaft is has a lot of play, so it's far from being precision. Not nice. And the same, unfortunately, the same is true for the other shaft, this one. If I move it by the handle, it wobbles like this. Both ends of the shaft makes a play. Also, there's a play this way. Not so impressed, so to say. I don't like the handle. Don't like the shape of it. It's really kind of, you're grabbing a piece of metal. There's no rounded edges. It just doesn't feel nice. So basically, that's all about it. I don't know how is it done on the original Bigsby, but I suppose there should be some kind of adjustment here where the spring comes, because obviously here there is a spring here. It's provided in the package. There's the spring, but I would suppose that there should be an adjustment for that, because otherwise, if you're using 9-gauge strings, then this will be up here. If you if you're using 10-gauge strings, then it will be lower, and there's no way to adjust it. So I still don't know if I want to keep it or want to send it back, but I'm not so impressed with it. I thought I would give you guys some pictures about it, so you may be able to choose more easily. That's it.